Good morning. Hi, how are you? Thank you. We are stepping on board Emirates Airbus A380, walking up to the first class cabin. Obviously an incredibly special experience here. And we've got a beautiful 1x2x1 configuration. Over here, we'll walk this way, give you a look at the suites. Really quite beautiful here. Flying in Emirates First Class is really special. There's a minibar waiting for every passenger, and you get so many goodies, including a brand new Bvlgari amenity kit. The suite doors open to reveal the bed when it's time for sleep, and it is supremely comfortable, especially once you close the doors and you'll catch some shut-eye. The attention to detail is incredible with the starry ceiling at night. Look at how much food you get just waiting in your suite. There's free-flowing Dom champagne throughout the flight. The a la carte dining is delicious. There's even a small onboard bar at the front of the first class cabin. One of the highlights of Emirates First Class on the Airbus A380 is that there are 2 shower suites, so you get 5-minute long shower. You can take it right before you land to refresh. And sadly, all good things must come to an end. We landed at JFK just on time.